6 must-know roof maintenance tips for homeowners. We understand that taking the time out of your busy schedule to ensure your roof is always in excellent shape can be pretty hard. But what if we told you that, regardless of the type of roof you have, roof maintenance doesn't have to be as difficult as you may think? To help you save money on extensive repairs down the line and give you the peace of mind you deserve, we've rounded up some truly simple yet crucial roof maintenance tips that make all the difference. Trim branches around your roof. The reason is very simple. Due to storms and harsh winds, they can end up flying freely and damage your roof. So, if you feel like the branches are dangerously close to your home, they most likely are. Get rid of leaves and debris on your roof. Because by removing the debris, you are keeping your property protected from likely damage, and at the same time, preventing the appearance of moss. Proper ventilation makes all the difference. If you don't ensure proper ventilation, you can count on heat and moisture wreaking havoc on your roofing system, and decreasing the effectiveness of your insulation. The good thing is you can easily prevent this from happening by installing quality insulation that will keep your roof in fully functioning shape. Keep your gutters in check. As we've just mentioned, gutters play a big role in keeping your home safe and protected. They effectively divert water and debris away from the roof, but only when they're in top condition. That way, you'll make sure nothing is blocking the water flow and minimize the risk of leaks. Have your attic inspected after a storm. We cannot stress the importance of attic inspection enough. After each storm, we highly suggest that you carefully inspect your attic to ensure that there isn't any damage. Regularly treat for moss and algae. Did you know that having moss and algae growing on your roof can be seriously detrimental? Unfortunately, this is something you can expect mostly during summertime. However, there's a simple solution. You can have your roof professionally cleaned and protected with preventative products, which will keep moss and algae from reappearing on your roof. Final thoughts. Roof maintenance doesn't have to be that big of a hassle if you simply know what to pay the most attention to. And to help you keep your roofing system in top shape, it's important to have a reliable team of roofers who know that too. Click the link in the description to get your free quote started now. Contact your trusted roof inspection professionals today, and we promise to protect your residential roofing system for the long run.